Marketplace. Another important tab in the platform is the Marketplace. Let's look into it in more detail. At the top of the Marketplace, you can see your role. The default role of any newly registered users is a copy trader. This is because the copy trader is enabled to explore all the features that are available on WunderTrading. The copy trader can create manual strategies, set up his own bots, and follow other traders. If you will start following other traders, you will also be able to see the number of traders' accounts that you follow and the number of bots that you follow. The Marketplace is divided into two tabs. The first one is the traders' API accounts. In the table below, you can see all the traders who are visible in the Marketplace. See their overall statistics for their accounts and select if you would like to follow any traders. You can also apply filters to make sure that you can see only those traders whom you would like to analyze. For example, if you are trading on Binance Futures, select the Binance Futures exchange. Then select the base currency that you have in your account and the minimum number of trades. Press on the filter button and your table will change accordingly. You can then browse through the transparent trade record of each trader you are interested in by pressing the Show button on the right-hand side of each trader's stats row. Inside the trader's profile, you will be able to see the detailed statistics, every trade this trader made, analyze and decide if this trader is a suitable fit for you. If you would like to start following one of the traders, press the Follow button. The pop-up window will appear, in which you will have to select the API account that you connected, with which you will copy trader's position. You can also see the terms of the trader, whether it is free to follow him or you need to make the payment to the trader first, and the period for which you will be subscribed as a follower. After that, you need to choose if you would like to copy all the actions or only the entry and exit signals. If you are copying all actions, then if the trader will adjust the strategy while it is running, for example, edit take profit or stop loss levels, the same adjustment will occur on your open strategy. Unlike all actions, when you select only entry and exit signals, then the strategy edit actions by the trader will be ignored. As soon as you start following either a trader or bot, you can manage your copy trading settings either by clicking on the Manage button or select the Copy Trading tab from the menu. This tab will provide you with the detailed information on the traders and bots that you follow. In this tab, you can renew the subscription for the trader or unfollow them.